In this video, I will show you how to find trending sound music on TikTok. First things first, open the TikTok app and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now tap on the magnifying glass icon to enter the Discover page. Here you will find trending videos and sounds that are currently popular across the platform. In the search bar at the top, type in keywords such as trending sounds, viral music, or a specific genre like pop or hip hop. Now, TikTok will show results that include both videos and trending music related to your search terms. Once you search, switch to the music tab in the search result. Now, this tab will display latest trending sounds and music categorized by popularity. There's also a way to find trending songs on TikTok. So, when you click on the screen button, on this screen you can see we have this button of add sound. Click on it and this will take you to the TikTok's vast library of sounds where trending music is often highlighted at the top. So you can scroll through or search for specific music in this section. You can also follow creators or hashtags that frequently use trending sounds. This will keep you updated for the latest sounds used in popular videos. With these methods, you will stay updated on the trending sounds.